everyone, welcome back to Painted Studio. The holiday season is fast approaching, so we are going to work on some Christmas ornaments today. This happens to be one of our little wooden truck cutouts. As you can see, there is one side that's clear, this side has a little laser burning on it, so you paint it depending on which direction you want your truck to face. Now, I kind of like the laser burned side. I like that little bit because it ends up adding a little shadow to it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to apply a paint. Now this is Faux Effects Set Coat Red. Unfortunately, it's discontinued, so use your favorite red paint for this. These do not have to be primed. They are a beautiful wood and the wood grain does not pop. But if it does, after you've applied a coat of your red and let it dry, come back, sand it down.